Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to the virtual summer camp of Chatkara activities. Day 1 Recipe Sprout Sandwich. The first wealth is health. With the fiber, vitamins, and goodness of sprouts, this sandwich is ideally worthy of a meal. Let's have a glimpse of how they prepared this recipe. Day 2 Recipe Immunity Booster Drink. Food is fuel, not therapy. The immunity booster drink is refreshing, flavorsome, and has tons of health benefits. Now, let us see how they worked out their creativity.
We are going to make mango mint immunity booster drink. Here's some ginger juice, rock salt, some sugar, some lemon juice, mint leaves, and some mango slices, and 2 glasses of water. Here the mixer grinder. I'm adding mango slices to it. Then I will add sugar, then some mint leaves, lemon juice, then ginger juice, and rock salt. And I'm adding water. Now we will grind it. This is ready to serve, and I have garnished it with some mint leaves and lemon slices, and it is ready to serve.
Day 3 Life Skill Table Setting. Manners are the basic building blocks of civil society.
Table setting, we need table mat, full plate, quarter plate, some napkins with its holder, glass with its poster, cloth napkin, some forks, some spoons and knives, and flower basket. Table setting is completed.
Day 4 Life Skill Dining Etiquettes. Dining etiquettes and manners adds to our confidence and personality.
Friends, we all know about the manners are the basic blocks of civil society. So today we are going to learn about the dining etiquettes. So first of all, we will learn about how in right hand like this and fork in the left hand like this. This is the correct manner to hold the knife and fork. Now, to start the meal, place the knife with cutting knife facing the full plate on the right side and the fork on left side. This indicates that we are starting the meal. Now, if we really enjoyed the meal and want to express it, place the fork and your knife with its cutting side face away from the fork horizontally across the plate with pointing right side. The etiquette to indicate that you did not like the meal is to place your fork side always on the plate and then place your knife's plate through the fork times in a V. This indicates that you did not enjoy the meal. If you are talking around the table but you have not finished eating our meal, you should not hold cutlery in your hand. Rather, rest them on our plate upside down with the tips of the utensil facing towards each other. If we finished our meal, place the fork straight in the center of the plate and the knife with cutting face towards fork. This indicates that we have finished our meal.
Day 5 Recipe High Protein Salad. Healthy body, healthy mind. A complete package of proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Day 6 Virtual interaction with our students. It was exciting interacting with you all students. Hope you enjoyed your Chatkara activities. Dear parents, we wish to thank you for your continued support throughout the camp. Our commitment to you and your children is very important to us. We could not do without your cooperation. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of your children's daily routine. We are proud of all of our students for their dedication and efforts. We look forward to providing a pleasurable dining experience. A big thanks to all of you.